1908, everybody. This guy rode up on a Trek mountain bike. I asked him how far the trail went. He said it went 3 miles out, and then you can cross the road and go for a couple more miles. We're getting over here to do some camping, exploring these trails, see what's going on. Like I said, the Pequest River is really nice. It goes all the way to Belvedere, New Jersey. It's a really nice town, really quiet. Nice little peaceful place there on the Delaware River. So maybe I'll make a big loop out of it. Camp out here on the Pequest. Still gonna do some more exploration over here, and I really came out just to make a short, but it seems like I'm actually making a short video. So when I'm done here, I'm gonna give him a price on flooring. Oh yeah, there's trail here. This is kind of fisherman trail, but no doubt a rail line. And in the winter, that looks like a freaking trail. I know that. But yeah, this is just great. Look at that. How cool. Built in 1908. Oh, is that a mile marker? I don't really know what those things are. Maybe. Back with a bicycle. I will be back with a bicycle in an attempt to get poison ivy. Hot and humid here in Jersey. There it is, everybody. Buttzville Viaduct. That's it for me. I'm getting out of here. I guess this is a members video. Thanks for staying tuned, everybody. Really making it worth my while here to make videos. I really appreciate that. Hey, everybody, gonna get on that Pequest River Trail, or that old DL&W line, and just kind of see where that trail leads. See that there is another train bridge out there. I think that's where that guy was talking about. If I cross the road, it goes for a couple more miles. I think the bridge is right at that point. I'm gonna go out and try to find this other train bridge, as well as line out some more rail trail miles. Welcome back, everybody, here in Buttsville, New Jersey again, back at the Pequest River Viaduct. Trying to explore these trails and check out where they go. Getting out here early, trying to beat the heat. It's supposed to be 3,018 degrees today, so just trying to get here before it heats up. It's time to see where these trails go and get to it. to see a trail down there. That's probably the trail I'm after. That's paralleling the Pequest River, and so am I. So I'm kind of waiting for a link up here. Definitely checking out the cutout here. Oh yeah, there's some rock climbing to be done here, my friends. I think I'm gonna come back here with a rope, and not to do what you think. I'm gonna go rock climbing. So I'm really curious where those other two trails went. I really wanna get down under the river. I'm not sure how far this thing goes. Box turtle, right? That's cool. I love those little guys. I'd sit there all day, but I know I'm torturing them. Yeah, I don't want to freak them out, so I'm gonna let them go back to the earth. Really enjoying this trail. Look at this. Just tucked in here. This isn't even like anything. This is just like, I don't know, kind of quad trails, and looks more like dirt bikes and stuff like that. There are bicycle mountain bike tracks. I did see a guy the other day out here biking, so there's miles of trail here. I'm going this way. I actually want to go the opposite direction over the Pequest River, but I don't know, this is just so beautiful. I'm going this way. I'm gonna go this way as far as I can, and then try to circle back and ride that, what I'm assuming is 5 miles from what that guy told me and what I can kind of research online there. But I don't know, just getting into it, man. Just having a great day. But I do want to get out of here before it hits 108 degrees. So yeah, but it's like early, it's super early. It's like 6. Okay. I don't see that river, do you? Might be in there. I don't know. I don't know where this goes. Oh, maybe it's way out there, actually. Oh, there's so much to explore here. Well, at least we're somewhere. Great. Looking at the phone here, it doesn't look like I'm too far off of my mark here. The Pequest River is right up here. The Pequest River. There's a bridge anyway. Nice. The Pequest. Oh yeah. So nice. Wow. Where's that trail? Oh, it's right here. Oh, that's it. That's it, and there's a picnic table. I don't know what I found here. I don't know if this is the trail, probably. Following the Pequest River has crossed the road. I would assume that would be the Pequest River corridor. I think I'm gonna head back that way and see what that section of trail is all about, from this road to that road. Get that all figured out and see where I'm at. And try to start mapping this thing out, plotting this out. But my gosh, look at the size of that tree. Nice little spot I found here, a little brake stop. This is all looking like a fisherman's access kind of an area. Fisherman trails. Check this out. There's where I am. Check it out. Follow the Pequest River, right? Follow the Pequest River Road. It's probably there, and then I could probably pick up a trail there. But geographically, look at the scar on the earth. That is no doubt train activity. Those are cutouts in the earth. It's a big corridor there. That's now a road section out there, but there's gonna be a lot of exploration for me to do here. This is definitely worth, I think, getting down here, riding around and just camping and being in the area. Camp along the Pequest River and see where it goes, see where these trails get to. This is gonna be pretty interesting to take a look at here. So anyway, let's continue up Pequest Furnace Road. One of 10 dams along the Pequest River that are being taken out to have it restored to, I believe, the trout's original spawning habitats, which is super cool. Train abutment over there too. I guess another bridge was here. So cool. Yeah, looking for some Pittsburgh marks. I believe the name of this bridge is the Lehigh. I feel like it has a Lehigh name to it. A really great trail. I need to come back here and get on some more of them. I mean, there were definitely alternate trails I could have taken back there that were also like cutouts out of the earth. It'd just be very interesting to check out. But the Pequest River, I think it's like 36 miles long, and it flows into the Delaware River, empties in at Belvedere, and I believe that there are 10 dams along the course of the river that, you know, they were dammed up over time in the last 100 years to produce power or divert power to farm fields and all of that. But I think they're in the process of removing all those dams and restoring, you know, maybe natural trout spawning waters, I believe. I don't know, this is just a really nice stretch of trail pretty close by I can get to in Jersey. Red-tailed hawk. Please don't fly off with my scalp. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here for a minute. What is going on here? These hawks. I don't know. Anyway, the Pequest River Viaduct was originally built in 1856 as like a stone arch bridge. Then it was replaced with the concrete structure that's that's there now. Really not in bad shape, honestly. You know, the railroad ties, they could use fixed up. This doesn't really look like it's being overly developed by any means. Pretty rougher rail trail, but very nice. Any kind of gravel bike should be able to handle it. No, Pequest Viaduct was built in 1908. That's what it was, 1941. I'm glad I stopped and finally started checking this area out. There's definitely still some trails out there to be discovered over top of this. I said it was the CNJ, but that's actually not true. It's the, I'll put it in here, the DLNW, I think. The DLNW, I'll put it right here. I'm gonna actually go home, do some research, start editing this video, but I gotta kind of get packed because I'm going up to do get on the D&H trail tonight up around the Surly Viaduct. So stay tuned for that one too, everybody. Thanks for following along, everyone. Thanks for staying tuned. We'll catch you on the road. You know what that means? Oh. I love you, Jerry.